So what is going on, guys, and what is going on, koi partners, and welcome back to a new episode here on the channel. I hope you guys are all safe, and as you have may notice, I was on a small summer break with my son for a couple of weeks, so the good news is that we will start uploading new videos again starting with today. But that's not only the good news I have for you guys, because I teamed up with a company that I personally really like. So today's video is sponsored by GlassesUSA.com. It's one of my personal favorite websites, because this is the place where I buy my sunglasses. And of course this needs a little bit more explanation, but guys, as you know, I always wear sun and eyeglasses in my videos. So after getting many questions where I buy my sunglasses, it was time for me to do a sponsored video today with my friends of GlassesUSA.com. Alright guys, so these are the sunglasses, those two, and the two eyeglasses that GlassesUSA.com sent me. You know, GlassesUSA, they offer prescription glasses and sunglasses up to 70% of the retail price. So that's why I always buy my sunglasses over there. It's affordable and also quite easy to order. For me personally, it's always hard to find the best fitting sunglasses and also eyeglasses, but they have about 6,000 styles of eyeglasses and sunglasses in their stock. So that's including the house brand and designer brands like the Ray-Ban, Oakley, Gucci. Almost all the pairs, they can be ordered with the prescription as well. So that's very good to know. Alright guys, so a complete pair of sunglasses or eyeglasses just like this one. They already start from 30 bucks and are included the free basic prescription glasses, so that's also very nice. So you can choose an eyeglasses like this one or something like this. So guys, check out the website because they got so many styles of eyeglasses. So there's one thing that I always hate, and it is the bad quality of the lenses. But at GlassesUSA.com they got their great own state-of-the-art labs, so the quality of the lenses are very good, and as you can see I'm wearing this one all summer. It's still pretty nice, and even my son wears it sometimes, so they are in good condition at the moment. So that one more thing is, guys, it's free shipping, free returning, 100% money back guarantee, and a 365 product guarantee. So I have put a link in the description below, so after watching the video with Hamez in Switzerland, go check out the website and GlassesUSA.com. Thank you so much for the nice sunglasses and eyeglasses, of course. And guys, again, please visit the website and see what kind of really amazing stuff they have. I did the promise to get back to Switzerland, film the pond again of Hamez. The pond, I think it was about almost 1 million views. There were amazing reactions about it because this pond has a lot of glass. Let's go inside and let's meet with Hamez again. Hamez, buddy!
Welcome!
And look at the pond again. Wow. Oh, I miss this view, man.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get to the pond. I want to see everything because you have something to tell me, right?
Yeah.
It's not only new fish.
No. Yes.
Yes, there's a lot of new fish, but Hamez is already also starting with selling koi here in Switzerland. So that's very nice because he has some very nice fish over here. But he showed me some videos from his fish that are still in Japan, waiting to get here back to Switzerland. Yeah, I can't say anything about it. We will see when they're here.
Yeah,
wow, wonderful and so clear. Wow, you got many new koi. So the last time I was here, there were just a couple of fish in the pond. But now there is one fish that I still like very much, and that is Pamela. So it is Chagoi, and she is about, I think she is 1 meter now. No,
1 meter 6, 7.
1 meter 6 or 7. Okay, I will turn the camera around and I will show you where she is at the moment. She is absolutely gorgeous. And the other koi are also between 70 and 80 cm. So she looks kind of small, but she is so big. Look at this one. This is a Goshiki Shishui, I guess. Nice Karashigoi, Karashigoi. We got two very nice Hiotsuri. I was almost wanted to say Shiotsuri, but you missed the Shiotsuri in your pond. Next time.
Next time. Because all my fish is
in Japan.
In Japan,
Yeah.
because the corona.
Yeah, so it's hard to ship fish nowadays, and of course the temperatures are also very high. So it's better to send and ship fish when the temperatures are low in Europe and also in Japan. So that's the reason why they're always ship their koi mostly till the beginning of May or starting in November. So what we're gonna do, guys, we are gonna put some koi in the bowl so we can show them to you. Of course, I want to see the genuine chocolate brown Chagoi maybe later, but I think it's good to start with the maybe the Goshiki Shishui. Wow, what a nice fish. Oh my god, look at this Goshiki Shishui. She is almost 5, so that means she is still 4 years old. And she is bred by the Kohaku koi farm. And I think I saw this fish, not last year, but the year before. But look at the skin quality and the size. She is in quite a big bowl. This bowl has, I think this is a 1 meter size bowl, so you can imagine how big she is. It is absolutely wonderful. So Hamez selected this one. Is this one for sale, or is this one for your own collection?
It's more for collection.
This is for his own private collection, so look at the skin quality. It's quite a unique koi because I haven't seen much of this variety in Japan lately. And it is very nice to see it swimming in the pond. It has, I don't know, the colors between the orange and of course the black from the Shishui, it's very unique. Boy. Wow, lovely fish. I love it very much. Alright, Hamez, so what is the next one?
Karashi Marilio.
Karashigoi from the Maruhiro Koi farm. So let's see where she is. Wow. So this is a Karashigoi from the Maruhiro Koi farm. And most of the people know the Maruhiro Koi farm. It's the one and only koi farm with a very big round pond in the middle of his farm back in Japan. And this Karashigoi, I think she is about 75, also 80.
75.
Yeah, 75 cm. And if you look at the skin quality and also the depth of the color, it's quite a nice fish. To be honest, it's a very good fish. Also the head is very clean. Wonderful. So she will also go into the blue bowl so we can see her up close. Or you want to keep it in here?
No.
You're gonna put it in a bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, right, yeah. Wonderful fish. It is a mustard Karashigoi, so it's a little bit different than the normal Karashigoi. As you can see, the color is also like the mustard color. And she arrived in Hamez, his pond, I think it was last year, when he bought her at the Maruhiro Koi farm. What I especially like about this fish is also the head. It's very clear, but beside that, the body shape and the conformation looks very nice. It's a very strong fish, very thick tail, and I think she will be very big. Because what is the age, Hamez?
4.
She's 4 years old. So she's 75 cm. She's 4 years old, and she will be, I think, when she is 6 or 7, she will be somewhere around 90. She will definitely get there.
95 because of
Maybe 95.
because the bloodline is.
Yeah. So maybe 95. Because she is from a bloodline that the parents are also very big, and her sisters are also becoming the real Jumbo koi. Wow, I love this one. So next up is, I think it's the biggest Kohaku from this pond. Let me turn the camera around. It's much fun for you to see the koi, of course, in me. So, luckily Hamez is quite strong because those fish weigh approximately about. So she has a great body shape. And it is a lovely Kohaku to see. So this is also a great Kohaku from the Maruhiro Koi farm. She is Yonsai, no, she's 5 years old, huh?
Yeah.
5 years old. And look at the body conformation. She got very big shoulders, and I really like the pattern. As Hamez just told me, he bought the koi because when she gets bigger, and she will definitely get a lot bigger, the pattern will be very nice on top of the koi. So there's one big pattern, and when she gets even more wider and bigger, then it will be very nice on top of the fish. So it's a very nice Kohaku. He got her last year also together with the Karashigoi from the same breeder, the Maruhiro Koi farm, and it's just a pleasure to watch it. He's a lucky man, Hamez. So one of my favorite guys, because this is a wonderful fish. This is a Rin Chagoi, and she will be probably from which farm? Maruhiro Koi farm, of course. Wow. So there she is, the Rin Chagoi, of course, from the Maruhiro Koi farm also. And she is pretty nice. I love the clean head. And look at the quality of the Jinrin. And of course, the pattern, all the scales are very nice next to each other. Wonderful. So we got a very big Showa here. She's not finished yet. As you can see, she still needs to develop in the upcoming years, but luckily the water quality here in Switzerland is very good to develop the sumi. So the hardness of the water is here very good. Usually it's very good in Europe. So if you are buying a Showa, Sanke, or a fish that have the black patterns, or the sumi as we call it, then it is worth it to get it in your pond and see it develop throughout the years. And she's quite big. She is bigger than 80 cm. She got a nice body shape, and I really like her. So the next koi is most of the time a koi that is the favorite of any children. And I need to be honest, I also do like the variety. We are talking about a Rin Chagoi, a chocolate Rin Chagoi. And Hamez just pulled her up. And the funny thing about this variety is that in summertime she gets a little darker than in wintertime. So when you normally have another koi variety, it's like the other way around. So in the summertime the skin quality and the colors are very bright and very strong, and in the wintertime it's a little bit less. But with the chocolate brown Chagoi, the Jinrin chocolate brown Chagoi, it's the other way around. So look at, first of all, look at the scale conformation, and look at the Jinrin. It's almost like it's unreal. It is so shiny. And this is also the favorite fish of his daughter, and that's very nice because it's just a good fish, huh? Children do love these types of koi. Very nice. Great. Okay guys, so that's it with the fish. Let's get to the filtration system, because I think most of the people want to know what the filtration system looks like and how it works. In the video of last year you were able to see the filtration system, but of course I will show it to you again. Alright, let's go to the filtration system. So we have here the smart pond and the biofilter. Let's see if it's koi food in here. So what, you know the size of the filter? 1,000 liter or two?
No, 300.
Yeah, okay, so it's about almost 1,500 liters of a bio filter, and then we have the Smart Pro line over here. Really nice. So some bio filtration over here. It's about 800 liters. The water will flow into this filtration system through this side, and of course, as you can see, all the dirt will get out properly. So the filtration system does its work very good. From there on, it goes back into here, and as you can see, normally there's some extra oxygen supply in the pond, but he put it in here now at the moment. So there is a big Japanese ring with, of course, the air supply. So this is the filtration system. Well, let's get back to the pond again. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you aren't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. And also follow Hamez on his Instagram or his Facebook. Because there will be some very nice koi that he will get from Japan very soon. So if you want to follow Hamez, if you want to follow his pond, just go to his Facebook or Instagram page. And for now, I would like to thank you again, my friend.
You're welcome.
And next time we welcome Hamez in Amsterdam. Right? Okay guys, it was good to see you. See you to the next video. Give a thumb up, like the video, and if you want, please share it.